Hello, I'm Coinuniverse. In this video, I will let you know how to buy crypto. You can buy it easily using your phone. But before we begin, here is a free discount. You can check the link in the description below. And if you don't know how to use it, please check the link on the top. Then let's get started. Open your Binance app. You can see the screen. And click on credit/debit card. And select the crypto you want to buy. Enter the amount of the selected fiat currency you wish to spend and tap continue. Add a new card or select the card you wish to use for the purchase and then tap buy. Check the amount you wish to spend is correct and then tap confirm at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations, the transaction is complete and the purchased cryptocurrency has been deposited to your Binance Spot wallet. I hope you got your full value for today. If you need more tutorials, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down. I will reply and have a chat with you. Then see you in the next video.